Hello everyone, my name is Mihir Pandya and my team is Abhishek Singh and Shivangi Singh. Our project is about IoT based battery monitoring system using ESP8266 and Arduino IoT Cloud. So in this video we will see the overview, introduction part, components, circuit and schematic designing, voltage divider network circuit and how to setting up Arduino IoT Cloud, source code and program, calibration, and at last conclusion. So this is our overview. There is a circuit and diagram of our project, and there is also a output display which can show us the battery voltage and battery percentage. So, in this project, in battery monitoring system, we will use ESP8266 and Arduino IoT Cloud. By using this system, we will see the battery voltage, battery percentage, and can see the charging and discharging condition on display. We will use components like Node MCU, TP4056 charging module, lithium ion battery, jumpers cable, and breadboard. So in circuit designing, we will use ESP8266, TP4056 charging module, and lithium ion battery. Now we will design a simple system circuit and which can monitor battery voltage and battery percentages along with charging and discharging status. In ESP8266, there will be a Wi-Fi chip that help us to connect to our Wi-Fi network and uploads the data to the IoT cloud server. In voltage divider network, as we know, when the battery is fully charged, the maximum voltage is about 4.2 volt and discharge cutoff is about 2.8 volt. In any voltage lesser than 3.3 volt, it will be easily supported by analog pin. So first of all, we will step down the upper voltage level. So we will use a pair of 100k resistor. It will convert the source voltage from 4.2 volt to 2.1 volt. Also, cutoff voltage will step down from 2.8 volt to 1.4 volt. Now our module is ready. Now we will have to measure a battery voltages and percentages on IoT cloud. So how to setting up an IoT cloud? So there is a link for Arduino IoT cloud. So go on that and we will have to create a account. Then on the things tab create two global variable bat percentage and voltage of integer and floating point number type respectively. Now then we need to add a device. Here we use Node MCU ESP8266. So select that and click on the continue and provide your device name. Now we need to build a dashboard to visualize the data. We will create a battery monitoring dashboard. Then we will add a widget to our dashboard. Now we will use one gauge, one percentage and two chart. The first gauge is for monitoring and battery voltages. Then we will link a bed percentage variable from things. Now we will code and program. So successfully running the program, we will go to monitor and it will show us then battery percentage and battery voltages. Sometimes these registers have some tolerance like 5 percentages, and because of this the register value is between 95k to 105k. So it directly affects both the output voltage and analog signal output. So solve this problem, we can compare the voltage difference between the serial monitor reading and the multimeter reading. We need to simplify, read the output voltage at the TP4056 output. Also, we can add that value in this line in coding. So by coding, we can solve this problem. So this is our project about IoT based battery status monitoring using ESP8266 and Arduino IoT Cloud. By this monitoring system, We can measure and battery voltages and percentages. Also, we can monitor charging and discharging status of battery. So, thank you.